Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's up and welcome to a fresh episode of Koreanpeople. Today we are going shaky camera angles. Today we are going to the fireworks festival at Yeonido Park. Since the year 2000, this festival is a huge thing to do, to visit. I'm really happy that the rain stopped and that we can actually go and see this festival today. So there, oh my god, really a lot of stairs coming. Let's kill those calories. Since year 2000, the Hanwha Fireworks Festival gets together. This year, 2 international teams from Spain and Canada are coming to shoot their rockets up, to light up the skyline of Seoul. I'm really excited. Man, I just love this sunny weather. I should go more to the gym. And what I'm really excited, cool people in the background. Woo! Fighting! And this weather is so nice! The thing I'm really excited about is I read that... Oh wait, there's a performance going on. Wait! We're just gonna run there real quick. Hey, what's your name?
홍민이.
Hey, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
You cycle, I'll try to run.
Okay.
So catch up with you guys. Okay. Go. Help! Oh, this is hilarious. A breath. I gotta lay down here for a second. Okay, we took a short rest on the ground, but no, seriously, that was fun. This is what I really love about Korea. People are just so engaging. They're not afraid to talk to a weird guy with a camera. The key of this festival thing is to come early. You can see in the background, yet there are not many people, but that is about to change. Really good dance performance right there. So let's walk around a little bit and give you like an overview about the festival. There are different sections of this, like A, B, C, and D. But anyway, enough of that. Let's actually show you the festival.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price.
I want to say, there we go. Alright, this festival is really at another dimension. It's so big and there are so many things to do. This is like my first time, and this is nothing what I've expected. Like there's hey guys, there's this like oh, my friends from before, from the cycling challenge. Hello. Like, there are all kind of foods, of course, our all-time favorite, chicken and beer. There's a lot to see of. Like, they set up a lot of games for the family. Like, at some point in section A, you can scream your heart out for a prize. And then there was this boy and a box full of ping pongs. That was really cool. I just recorded some smoke fireworks during daylight. I did not even know that there are smoke fireworks. So, did you know that you have smoke fireworks you can shoot up during daylight? looks pretty cool. Like the sky is like full of colors right now. There are a lot of people at this event. People brought their tents. I've never seen so many tents at once. I feel like I'm at a camping site, but looking for people to play with us. Titanic. Glass of beer, and you have a short shot glass, and you put the shot glass inside. So the glass will be swimming in the beer. Your aim is to fill up the shot glass with a little bit of soju, and the person who sinks the glass into the beer has to drink the whole thing. So, guys, and welcome to this break dance battle. Really fun game. Give it up, guys. Thanks so much for joining.
Does the loser have to battle jump? Yeah. Because of vibration. Because of vibration.
So the Canadian team behind me is lighting it up. Check it out. Whoa! Canada! Oh. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching this episode of Vlogging. I'm gonna get out of the shot actually. Hey, I had so much fun. It stopped raining. Look at this! I'm out. I'm gonna leave you with this fireworks. Peace!
Vamos a bailar.